If you're thinking about buying a home and you don't know where to start, don't worry, I have everything you need to get you off the sidelines and into the game with the right game plan. The first thing you want to do is to get a loan estimate. As soon as you apply and get pre-approved for a mortgage, you want to ask for your loan estimate. They don't automatically give you those. The reason you want a loan estimate is because it's going to give you a breakdown of your fees, your monthly payment, how much cash you'll need, and your taxes and insurance. You want to see and understand exactly what your numbers are before you get under contract on a home. Next step you want to do is you want to get 3 mortgage quotes. And don't worry about your credit taking a ding. The credit scoring models allow you for rate shopping. As long as you do it within 30 days, you only get 1 hard inquiry. And what you want to do is compare fees as well as interest rates. Most people focus on interest rates, but you also want to know what the fees are associated with that loan. Next tip is you want to start early. You want to start early, even if you're thinking about home ownership and you're in a long-term lease and you're weighing your pros and cons. I always say, even if you're a year out, 2 year out, you want to pull your credit, you want to talk to a loan officer now, at least that will give you a roadmap of where you need to be. You may be ready to go now, or you may have some work to do. It puts a time frame in perspective for you for your home ownership goals. The earlier you start your planning, when you are ready to pull the trigger and get going, you're not going to have any roadblocks because you've done your homework up front. The next thing you might not know is you can buy a home right out of college. Typically, when you're getting pre-approved for a mortgage, your employment history needs to be for 2 years. There is an exception, and that is if you're a recent college graduate. Your college years can count as work history for your mortgage approval, in addition to having a job lined up right outside of college. Your offer letter can be used to qualify as long as you're going to be a salaried employee. Another tip is that you can also purchase a multifamily home, be it a duplex, a triplex, or a quad. As long as you live in one of the units for at least a year, the lender can use the income the other units will generate in monthly rents. So that's something to consider. You can live on one side, rent the other side out, and that's going to help to pay your monthly mortgage, which ultimately is going to leave with more cash in your pocket. Down payment is usually the biggest challenge that I see that first-time home buyers have. That can be a barrier for a lot of first-time home buyers. They think that they need 20% down, and in fact, they don't need 20% down. You can get into a home with little to no money down. And what's nice about Minnesota is there is a variety of down payment assistance programs. Minnesota housing is a big one. Some lenders have grants available if you're moving into a specific city. If you've served in the military or your spouse has served in the military, you can qualify for a VA loan, and that's going to be 100% financing, so you can literally get into a home with no down payment. These are some important tips that I think will help you be successful when you're ready to purchase a home. And if you're ready to move on to the next step, give me a call. My name is Lisa Carter. I'm with RE/MAX Results, and I've been helping first-time homebuyers like you find a new place to call home for over 22 years. Click the link below to connect with me. I look forward to helping you on your home buying journey.